Simon Ekpa is very right. On this one is very right. You see, I see some people they say that it is the obedience that are demarketing Nigeria. But how many times have obedience come out and gave you fake news? When they tell you that obedience are demarketing Nigeria, obedience are now you have for yourself by government themselves. They have posted news and they have been deleted by themselves. We saw my S deal the first time. They deleted it. We saw, for example, Dubai is back the first time. Now, what is so special about Dubai? If you make your country a good country, people will come to your country and invest. You have the opportunity to go to other countries if your country is good. So it's not about Dubai or no Dubai. Understand? So if Simon Ekpa is mocking Nigeria, maybe Nigeria deserves to be mocked. Understand? Because it is your fault that makes Simon Ekpa to be mocking you. But it's your fault. You get what the news that you are paying $600,000. You want to go to Dubai and everything. Now Dubai now they say no. I mean UAE. Then Simon Ekpa is right.
There was nothing like that.
There was nothing like that. That is a fake news. And then you blame the citizens. You say the obedience are demarketing Nigeria. Now, who is demarketing Nigeria more than this government? A website that from an unknown origin to a website and people are celebrating. Like, can I go to the UAE? Whereby the government themselves have not yet given the go ahead. I mean, the government of the UAE. They want to deceiving ourselves. We are 2024. Why are we deceiving ourselves in this place?
Go underground. Even the politicians are not believing
what are you talking about? That's what I mean. So when you look at it, I be like, this kind of government officials, what is their problem? What is their problem? Yes, so we can't keep deceiving ourselves. We can't keep deceiving ourselves and say that we are going forward. We are not getting anywhere. You take one step forward, you take 5,000 steps backward. One step forward, 5,000 steps backward. I say you are going forward. What are you talking about? Yes, sir. So you announce a deal. The next thing you cancel the deal, you delete your tweets. Then who are you deceiving? And you're saying someone is mocking you. He can mock you because you have disgraced yourself. Before it comes to mock you, you have been disgracing yourself.
And the country as a whole.
Yes, now. Somebody is in Finland, is mocking you. Is he mocking you for doing the right thing? No, he's mocking you because he has seen that in the midst of poverty, the president they are buying aircraft. The governors are creating aircraft ministries. They've seen that the people of that same place are not ready for anything. The man have seen. He has looked at them. These ones are not ready for anything. So he can mock them. Yes, sir. He have seen that these ones, how they behave like this. What is the problem? Yes, sir. So he can mock them. He knows what he's saying. Yes, sir. So I cannot blame him from that angle that he's coming from.
Yeah.
But I have seen the ineptitude of the government. Like this ones, look at them. Today, something, tomorrow another thing, tomorrow another thing. So you can mock them. You know, it is they themselves that allow, like I said, allow themselves to be mocked. If you do the right thing, nobody can mock you. Especially a private citizen in Finland cannot mock you. But you allow yourself to, you are disgracing yourself everywhere. So why are they not going to mock you? That's what I mean. So I'm not surprised. Let them keep getting mocked every day. Understand? That's so let them keep getting mocked. So until the day we realize ourselves, they see themselves and come out with our senses. Either enough is enough, either we have to change our ways, either we have to have a new constitution or just something. But this same thing we are doing over and over again. We are just deceiving ourselves because it's only a mad person that does the same thing over and over again and expect different results. Only a mad person that does that. You understand what I mean? So you can't keep this same thing over and over again, expect different results. Unless you are just deceiving yourself. So let's not deceive ourselves in Nigeria. We are still playing in Nigeria. Let them look at themselves in their eyes and tell themselves the truth. that the way the country is headed to, the way the country is going, is not in the right direction. You understand? So that is that is the only way out. If you don't want to be mocked by Ekpa or by anybody, not even by anybody.
But this is not the first time Nigerian government, this present government, have come out to tell us. We've seen different as them saying different story, and on the same UAE as at one point in time, I think they said, you know, they also lifted the ban, but all in all, we saw that it was still propaganda. And this second time UAE is coming out again to deny, you know, such lamba, as I'll put
yes,
it.
now. So we have been, you see, the greatest deceit in life is self-deceit. If somebody is deceiving you, if somebody is deceiving you, it is very good. But don't deceive yourself. If I'm deceiving you, it's better. If you are deceiving yourself, the greatest deceit is self-deceit. Don't deceive yourself. So the government are just deceiving themselves. They are making themselves happy. Make yourself happy. Oh, living in delusion, like a castle in the air. That's the kind of government that we have now. Understand? But Dubai, they are denying you something. Say you do it. Let me give you an example. I say I'm marrying this girl. The girl say no. You cannot marry yourself. The person that you are marrying is saying no. Say you are marrying. I say no. Say you are marrying. Say no. What I'm talking about? I say I'm married. The guy say no. I want this guy say no. It's as simple as that. So I've been observing with the way these people are doing. Is there any hope for Nigeria with the way these leaders are going in Nigeria? Even they themselves, they don't believe in the government. They don't believe in Nigeria. If they believe in Nigeria, their children will be in Nigeria schooling. But their children are abroad. What does that tell you? Your politicians, they don't believe in Nigeria. Listen good if I'm talking. They believe in abroad than Nigeria. They tell you citizens to pray for Nigeria, even the pastors, but their children are schooling abroad. You cannot use your head. That's that. The politicians themselves, they tell you one Nigeria, pray for Nigeria, pray for Nigeria. Their children are abroad. Their children they have dual citizens. If they have headache, they go to Dubai. If they have leg problem, they go to UAE. If they have problem, they go to London. What does that tell you? But you, if you have any problem, you drink agbo because you are poor. That is the problem. That's what I mean. So they've seen it. The only thing that Nigeria is good for now is a burial ground. Nigeria is only good to be a burial ground in 2024. I'm telling you what I know. Nigeria is only good to be a burial ground now. When you steal money, Dubai, you steal money, UK, you steal money, London. All your children send them to school, London. But if you die, they want to bury you. They come and bury you in Nigeria. Then what is Nigeria? Is that not a burial ground? So until we tell ourselves the truth in Nigeria, as citizens and leaders, stop deceiving them. I'm talking about us. And the citizens stand up and say no. Enough is enough. You are tired of this system. You are tired of this government, and we cannot continue like this. You understand? Somebody will be passing and be looking at us. They don't get work. You that are working, your salary is 30,000 naira. Salary is 10,000 naira. What can it buy? I've eaten this morning at 2,000 naira money food. So when are we going to stop this tribalism, this propaganda, this useless system that I've been doing every day and it's not working?
Very important. Police.
So it's as simple as that, Mr. Akire.
Okay.
Until we sit down and tell ourselves, the government and the citizens look at them with their eyes and say, enough is enough. We know our enemies and we are going after them. There is no way out of Nigeria.
There's no way out of Nigeria.
Yes, there's no way. There's no way.
Okay.
You keep complaining for Jesus because you have been praying. Your grandfather prayed for Nigeria. Your father prayed for Nigeria. You are praying for Nigeria and the prayer is not working. Because righteousness exalts a nation, not your prayers. Look at churches everywhere, mosques everywhere. But look at the high level of corruption, of moral decadency, of infidelity. Look at it. So until you live religiosity and be righteous, there seems to be no way out for the country.
So prayer is not the solution.
Prayer has never been solution. God will bless the work of your hand, not your prayers. So if you are working, God will bless you. So are they not working? Ask yourself. They give somebody money, he embezzle 80 billion. In Nigeria, there's under Buhari that when human beings start stealing money, animals too now start stealing money. Under Buhari, well, a snake swallowed 36 million in this country. A snake, and I told people, I said, if the snake come, he say, come here, I will go, because that snake has money. If you come and say, wow, I'm a magician, I'll go and work for him because the snake has money. Then one monkey, that's why snake is swallowing money. Monkey too swallowed money under Buhari. You are here. Snake swallowed money, monkey swallowed money. Then human being now continue, because when human being start swallowing money, then animals were like, Akilo Shele. Okay, snake swallowed money, monkey follow. Human being say no, competition. Human being start swallowing money. That a governor allegedly 80 billion. And it's what I'm talking about.
Nothing has happened.
So until we tell ourselves the truth, righteousness exalts the nation, not prayers. Stop praying, my dear. Stop praying. Don't stop praying for Nigeria. Stop praying. Stop deceiving yourself. Leave prayers alone. God bless what? God cannot bless evil. God cannot bless corruption. God cannot bless injustice. God cannot bless a place where there's bigotry. Your politicians are deliberately surrounding people, marginalizing them, and say God will bless that place. It's not possible. So stop the prayers and tell yourself the truth. End corruption, end bad governance, then the country will get better. But for now, Nigeria is only good to be a burial ground for the rich people and for the elite in Nigeria. You understand? So Simon Ekpa, you are right. For mocking Nigeria, it's not your fault. It is Nigerian government that are making themselves available to be mocked by Simon Ekpa himself, mocking Nigeria.
Why should he say that we, the Biafra and the Igbos, is pleading with us now to join? But the same his brothers send armor tank to murder the Igbo people.
The famous Shegumi has come out to say that Igbos should join in a nationwide protest, early next month. Do you think the Igbos should join, the protest? With what Shegumi said, he said they should come out and join the protest. He's begging them to join the protest and protest against bad governance. What can you say to this?
God bless you, my brother. Gumi is shameless. He's a shameless homer. He's an idiot. He doesn't have sense. Why should he say that we, the Biafra and the Igbos, is pleading with us now to join? But the same his brothers send armor tank to murder the Igbo people. The same guy, the terrorist, which Buhari could not arrest, could not touch, is now begging the Igbos now. The same Gumi say Igbos are bad people. We are evil. We are this, we are that. Encouraging terrorists, which Nigerian government, that is why I'm not happy with this nation. Nigerian government never do anything against that man. He's supposed to be in jail by now. Gumi doesn't supposed to have freedom.
Maybe because
in a country that knows what they are doing, where the law stands and speaks, I get it. Gumi doesn't supposed to have a freedom, not to talk of having a freedom of speech. They're supposed to needle him, his mouth, in a prison. Maybe because he's a terrorist.
Maybe because they're Fulani man, and Fulani, they believe that they own the country. Maybe that's why, and that's why the federal government are always scared of arresting or doing whatever they want to the Fulani?
Listen and listen good. It's only in Nigeria, and that is why we don't want to continue be part of Nigeria. Only in Nigeria there are some people above the law. According to the constitution, nobody is above the law. Go to America, go to other developed countries. Nobody is above the law. Who is Gumi and who is Fulani? My brother, go to the foundation, to the history. Fulanis are not Nigeria. They are strangers. Are you hearing me? They are strangers. They use religion and enter Nigeria, the northern part of Nigeria, and that was why they conquered the original Nigerians, which are the Hausas. They kill them, they slaughter them, and take over the northerners. And from there, take over the northern part of Nigeria, and from there they penetrate into Nigeria. Are you hearing me? They are not Nigerian. They are strangers. The same thing happened in Kwara State. The same way they conquer North, the same way they conquer Kwara. Kwara belongs to the West, the Yorubas. Kwara is a Yoruba state, but Fulani has occupied it. They conquer the Yorubas and they take over that place. So they want to, when Buhari was in power, he wanted to use a Luga settlement because he knew that by the system of Luga settlement, he wanted to conquer Nigeria. Remember during his tenure, he said that Nigeria belongs to the Fulanis. Is that not what he said? For the first time, they have a Fulani day. They organize it in Abuja, and the whole meeting, the whole enjoyment, and a lot of banquet. They celebrated it. Gumi should stay away with anything that has to do with Igbos. We are not joining the protest. And let me tell you, how many times did the Gumi protested against Buhari in Buhari regime? How many times did he beg other part of Nigeria? What I'm seeing here is just that the Yorubas has failed to understand who is their original enemy and who is their friend. It's unfortunate. They don't know who is their enemy and who is their friend. This thing that is happening today, who started it? When Jonathan increased fare to 120, all of them and those, including the same Tinubu, they kick against Jonathan, call him a bad person, a bad president, a bad leader, this, that. Are you getting it? Which the sponsor party in Ojota and the other part of Nigeria. Today, how much is fuel? Nobody dance. Buhari started it. When he entered, increased it to 145 naira per liter. Yeah. Nobody protested. Are you getting it? So they should leave us alone. Gumi should continue with the Fulani brothers. Let them go and do the protest. We are not part of the protest and we can never be part. The only thing I am advising my brothers, they should not join the protest. Rather, they should protect their business.